Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Proline Guitar Wall Hanger, the Onmiwod Black Walnut Wood Guitar Wall Mount 2-pack. If you're a guitar player looking for a stylish and secure way to store your instrument, this product might just be what you need. First off, this guitar hanger is crafted from real black walnut hardwood, giving it a rich, natural look with a unique wood grain on each piece. The craftsmanship shines through with a polished finish that not only protects the wood but also adds a touch of elegance to any room, whether it's your living room, bedroom, music studio, or office. This isn't just a practical accessory. It doubles as a beautiful display that turns your guitar into a piece of art on your wall. One of the standout features is its anti-slip U-shaped design. Unlike traditional flat guitar holders, this U-shaped cradle securely holds your guitar without the risk of it sliding off. Plus, the cradle is positioned 3.5 inches away from the wall, which is just enough to prevent your guitar from touching the wall and getting damaged or scratched. This thoughtful spacing helps keep your instrument safe and in pristine condition. The Onmiwod hanger is also designed with versatility in mind. Its rotatable yoke can pivot to fit various guitar headstocks, including those with a slant, which means it works well for a wide range of instruments: acoustic guitars, electric guitars, basses, and banjos. However, it's important to note that it is not suitable for ukuleles or classical guitars. This flexibility makes it ideal if you own multiple types of guitars or are looking for a universal hanger. When it comes to protection, the metal frame of the yoke is both sturdy and reinforced, ensuring your guitar stays steady on the wall. The soft rubber padding around the yoke protects the finish of your guitar from any scratches or wear, providing extra peace of mind every time you hang or remove your instrument. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The package includes everything you need: 2 walnut wooden bases, 2 hooks, screws, concrete anchors, and drywall anchors. You can easily mount these hangers on different types of walls such as drywall, plaster, concrete, or brick in just 4 simple steps. This makes the Onmiwod Guitar Wall Hanger accessible even for those who are not particularly handy. Each pack contains 2 hangers, so you can display multiple guitars side by side or place them strategically around your space for both convenience and aesthetic appeal. The hanger supports up to 25 pounds, which is plenty for most guitars and basses, giving you confidence in its durability. Beyond functionality, this guitar wall mount serves as an excellent gift option for any guitar player. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions like Father's Day or Christmas, it's a practical yet elegant gift that any musician will appreciate. To sum it up, the Onmiwod Black Walnut Wood Guitar Wall Mount combines beauty, security, and ease of use. Its natural hardwood construction, protective U-shaped cradle, rotatable yoke, and simple installation make it a top choice for guitar enthusiasts who want to keep their instruments safe and beautifully displayed. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your guitar storage with this stylish and reliable wall hanger, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.